Australia and wondered why a huge country seems so empty? While this might feel like a mystery, there are several reasons to why 95% of Australia remains thinly populated. So if you compare it to the land area of India, Australia is 2.4 times larger than India's area. But in population, Australia has 27 million people. And India has a whopping 1.44 billion people. And that's crazy.
Australia is the 6th largest country in the world. But most people live in the cities along the coast, like Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane. The reason why 95% of Australia is empty is because how the land is. A lot of Australia is called the outback, which is very dry, hot, and far from the coast. The outback has deserts, like famous Simpson Desert and the Great Victoria Desert. In these places, it's hard to find water, and it gets super hot during the day. Not many people want to live in the places where it's difficult to grow food or find fresh water. Another reason is that Australia's climate changes a lot. Near the coast, the weather is more comfortable, and there's rain for plants and animals. But when you go inland, there are harsh conditions, like very hot summers and really cold winters. Plus, there are long distances between towns. Imagine traveling for hours and not seeing anyone. Most Australians live in the cities where there are jobs, schools, and fun things to do. Like Sydney and Melbourne are near to the ocean. So people can enjoy the beach and have easy access to things they need. That's why about 85% of the population live near the coast. But even though most of Australia is empty, it's not really empty. The outback is home to Aboriginal communities who have lived there for thousands of years, along with some adventurous people who work on cattle stations and mines. The outback is also a great place for wildlife, like kangaroos, emus, and dingoes, and beautiful natural landmarks like Uluru. So, while 95% of Australia may not have people, it's still an important and special part of the country. To sum it up, Australia's landscape and climate make it hard for lots of people to live in the middle of the country. So most people stick to the coast.
If you want to know more about Australia's geography and history, I suggest you research more and even plan a trip to Australia. If you want to know, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Next video, I'm going to come back with another interesting topic. But until then, bye bye.